Highlighting the best features of your home is what we do. Our concierge program allows us to maximize the best features and tell the story. Your buyer deserves a home. They're looking for a place to raise their families and to be comfortable for years to come. It's a lifestyle, it's a community, it's a neighborhood. I'm Deborah Morton with Clareo Real Estate. Let's talk about how to help you get your home sold. How we feature and present your home matters a lot. Cleaning and prepping, staging. When a buyer walks into your home, is it clean? Does it look good? Does it smell good? Are all the lights on? And does it feel welcoming? That's what we do. Many people don't have the imagination. They can't envision themselves in your home. So what we do is help present it with artful touches. Professional staging helps people, prospective buyers, feel comfortable and at ease, and it sells homes. Every home has unique features. Our job is to highlight the best features of a home. And if there's a room or a space in that house that maybe would be hard for a prospective buyer to envision, we bring in the staging. This room is now a perfect home office. The heart of every home, kitchen, bathrooms, bedrooms, that's what people look at online. So our job is to make sure that those areas, the key areas that prospective buyers are looking at, photograph well and present well. This is an example of a properly staged master suite. Little touches here or there to make it feel homey, warm, and welcoming.